Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Stephen here. It's been a while since I have made a pen, and over around Christmas I went and bought myself a brand new wood lathe, which I'm going to try to put into use and probably do a review on it sometime this year. But I wanted to get out and make a few pens. So in this video I'm making a couple of these Artisan bullet pens, and these are from Craft Supply USA. Now the kit basically involves you've got a pen clip and a pen cap, and of course the pen clip looks like a rifle. Then you've got a brass tube. You've got a antique rifle cartridge, which is a replica of a cartridge. It looks to me to be about the size of a 30-06 shell. You've got the twist pen mechanism here that advances the cartridge in and out. And then this is the ink cartridge, a Parker style ink cartridge itself. Now the kit, of course, comes with all the pen parts, but then you've also got to buy the, separately you've got to buy the bushings. And for those of you that are new to pen turning, the bushings simply go on each end of the blank, and when you turn it on the lathe, it helps you get down to the right dimension that you're looking for. So those are purchased separately. And then also for this kit, you will need an 8mm drill bit. Now, how do I know all this? Because you got to go on the site where you bought the pen kit from and download the instructions that come with it. And it tells you what size drill bit that you need and any other tips that you might need for making this pen kit. Okay, now as far as the wood goes, in the video you're going to be seeing me, this is what I turned in the video. This is canary wood, it's a hardwood, and this is bacote. So I'm going to be using those two different wood. Of course you have to buy the wood blank separately, of course, but I just wanted something that was a little bit darker that would contrast with the antique color of the bullet shell. Now I'm doing something a little differently in this video. Normally when you see me turning a pen, you're going to see me use this pen mandrel, and normally what happens is we mount this on here with the bushings, and we put the mandrel saver on there, slide it down, put this between the headstock and the tailstock, and then we turn this and turn the pen. In this video I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be turning between centers, and to do that I've got to have these two adapters here. These are turn between center adapters, and they're essentially the same dimension as the pen mandrel. So what this is going to do is it's going to mount into the bushing itself, the other one, and I'll show you this in the video too as I attach it to the lathe. It's going to go on that one, and then we're going to put the bushings into the pen blank as such, and then mount this between the live center and dead center on the lathe, and then we're turning these between centers. I'm curious to see how it's going to work. I've always heard that turning between centers is a little bit more accurate, because what can happen with these mandrels here with the rod, over time these can actually bend a little bit, and that can cause wobble in the turning, and therefore cause your barrel, your pen barrel, to not be quite as symmetrical as you want it to be.